So, you're a book lover. You've got a shelf full of stories, a never-ending TBR pile, and opinions that your friends are probably tired of hearing. It's time to find your tribe. Starting a BookTube channel in 2026 is one of the most rewarding ways to share your passion. But how do you actually stand out in a sea of creators? Today, I'm breaking down the exact roadmap to launching your channel successfully, even if you're starting from absolute zero. The biggest mistake new creators make is trying to talk about every book. In a global market, specificity is king. Are you into the romanticer craze? Do you prefer gritty psychological thrillers? Or are you a classic literature enthusiast? By picking a sub-niche, you attract a loyal audience that likes exactly what you like. Don't just be a booktuber, be the thriller expert or the YA fantasy queen. This helps the YouTube algorithm find your perfect viewers in the USA, Canada, and beyond. Here's the truth: you don't need a $2,000 cinema camera. In 2026, viewers value authenticity over expensive production. Most of your favorite creators started with just a smartphone and a window for natural light. The most important thing is your bookish aesthetic. Set up your filming nook in front of a bookshelf or a cozy reading corner. Use a basic microphone or even your phone's built-in mic. Just ensure the room is quiet. Clean audio is much more important than 4K video. To bridge the content gap and get noticed, you need to post what people are searching for. I recommend starting with these 3 staple videos. 1. The bookshelf tour. It's the ultimate icebreaker and lets people see your taste. 2. The monthly TBR. Show the world what you're planning to read next. And 3. A trending review. Pick a popular new release in your niche and give your honest, unfiltered thoughts. This is how you build trust with your audience. BookTube is more than just a video platform. It's a community. To grow, you need to engage. Mention your Goodreads or Storygraph profile in your videos. Ask your viewers specific questions like, which book changed your life? Or what's your favorite trope? When people comment, reply to them. In the US and Western markets, building a personal connection is the fastest way to turn a casual viewer into a loyal subscriber. The world needs your unique voice and your unique perspective on stories. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Just hit record and start sharing your love for books. What's the first book you're going to review? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creator guides. Happy reading, and I'll see you in the next chapter.